This is another instructional video for editing the NYC DOE Work-Based Learning Toolkit online. This video is specifically about how to update web content on the web page. So the other step involved in updating toolkit content with a W next to it in the toolkit. So the easiest thing, I think, is to go ahead and go to the front side here. And if you did not watch the last video on how to upload the documents where we showed you how to log into the site, I'd recommend you go back there. But just a reminder, if you aren't logged in, you need to be. You just add /wp-admin. And that'll take you there. We're already logged in, so we're not going to do that. So as a reminder, what we updated was the internship fact sheet. So we'll go ahead and go to internships, and the first tab here, first page of the guide is the fact sheet. Edit page. And so we just need to edit the fact sheet, so we're just on the first tab right here. If you needed to edit something that was on, let's say, the coordinator checklist or the required documents page, that would be how you get to those tabs. So get to the tab that is the one that you need to be on, and then find the content that you need to edit. In this case, I would need to edit this right here. And so just a reminder of what I did there is I hovered on the block of content, I found the pencil. You'll notice the tooltip here that said edit text block. Click the pencil. And now at this point I'm just dealing with regular text. You're going to now want to save changes here. Now to be clear, this isn't saving it to the page, it is saving it to the content block. This is the equivalent of your brain's short-term memories. And so that is because if, let's say, I also needed to change something in this block, I could do that. And then I click Save Changes, it's out of the block. When you're done making whatever content updates you need to on this page, then you want to store it in the equivalent of long-term memory. So basically, up to this point, nobody on the live site was going to be able to see the changes you made until now when you click Update Page. So, update. This is for the whole page. If I scroll up, I'll see it here as well. So either way, same button, Update. I'll know it's done because it'll say page is updated. I can view page here, or I can view it here. And if I scroll down now, I'll see that this says 80 hours, which is great. So the other thing that you might have noticed is that in addition to the button Edit Page, which is what we used, that there is this Edit WP Bakery Page Builder, which normally I'd show you and I'd recommend as the way to go. But it doesn't work with tabbed pages. So that's why we're not using this button, just to show you. It'll load the front end editor, which normally I would say is more user-friendly, but it doesn't work with tabs. So just go ahead and X out of here. So that is why you're always just going to go to Edit Page and ignore the button that says Edit with the WP Bakery Page Builder. Anyway, so that is how we edit that content, and so that's done. The next video in this series, they are going to cover what happens when you add new content to the toolkit. So up until now, all the videos, other than orienting you to the work environment and the workflow and where things are, Up until now, all of these videos have involved editing content in the toolkit that already exists. So then if you stay tuned, the next two videos are specific to what happens when you're adding a brand new thing. And we'll check in next on those videos. Talk to you then.